I'd like to use my final thought today to talk about compassion. Now, compassion is defined as a feeling of deep sympathy and sorrow for another who's stricken by misfortune, accompanied by a strong desire to alleviate the suffering. Now, as we look around in the world today, these feelings and desires seem to be in short supply, but then moments come that remind us and show us that it does still exist. You remember how overwhelming the first day of school could be? It seemed like you were all alone in a sea of kids. They all seemed to know each other. They all got Jordans and your mother bought Ewings. 8-year-old Christian at the Minneha Core Knowledge Elementary in Wichita, Kansas knows all about it. It was the first day there when he noticed one of his classmates, Connor, going through it, alone in a corner with his head down and crying. So Christian went over, took his hand, and led him into the building. Christian's mother, Courtney, caught a picture of it and shared it on Facebook saying, "I'm so proud of my son." He saw a kid balled up into a corner crying, so he went to console him, grabbed his hand and walked him inside of the school. It's an honor to raise such a loving, compassionate child. The post was shared nearly 4,000 times and was seen by Connor's mother, who wrote back, "Tell your son I said thank you so very much. That little boy he helped is my son and is autistic. I worry every day that he's going to get bullied for being different, and your son just absolutely warmed my heart." I'm guessing that in that moment, Christian didn't know Connor has autism, and if he did, it didn't matter. What mattered was he saw somebody who was stricken by misfortune, and he had a strong desire to alleviate his suffering. Christian's mother called it an honor to raise such a child. I'd like to give the honor to her and to thank her for sharing this moment with the rest of us and giving us something to strive for. Have a beautiful Tuesday. Get up, DC.